Hey there, it's me, Krystal V, and I'm back with another tarot video. Last week we talked about the sixes and the Lover's card. This week, I've decided to take a break and do a spread. It's towards the end of the month, and around this time, budgets can become a little tight. So I've come up with a spread to realign your current financial situation for the better. It's a 7-card spread, so let's get started. What you'll need is your tarot deck. If you're a beginner, be sure to grab your source for card definitions, be it a book or internet resource. Feel free to use more than one source to complete a broad perspective for your reading. To start off, make sure to clear your space. You can use white sage. You can also use black sage or mugwort. Here I have some white sage. Make sure you light your sage and smudge your room and yourself. I preemptively smudged before this video, so I'm all ready to go. Now it's time to shuffle your deck. Don't worry if shuffling isn't your forte. Just mix up the cards in a way that feels organic and natural to you. After the shuffle, use your left hand to cut the deck into 3. Then reassemble. Now it's time to spread out the cards. Take a deep breath and ask the tarot to show you how to achieve financial abundance and balance, or how to resolve your current financial situation. You can spread them in 2 rows or just 1 even row if you wish. Now it's time to choose 7 cards. If you have a specific method of choosing cards, that's great. If not, you can choose the cards that stand out to you, or you can place your hand over the spread to feel some of the energies to see if you feel anything. Either way, choose the format that makes you feel comfortable. Six and 7. So now we have our 7 cards. Set the rest of the deck aside. And now it's time to lay out those 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now that they are laid out, let's go through what each position means. So the first position is your current financial situation. Since I have the High Priestess card, I am going through a learning process, and I need to trust my intuition. This could also relate to a period of new knowledge or study. So I need to remain receptive for everything that comes my way. Now the second card relates to why you are in the financial position you are in currently, or the current financial stress. I have the Ace of Wands, which indicates the beginning of a new path or business. So it makes sense that I also have the High Priestess card because I'm learning, and this is just the beginning. So the third position is how you can relieve financial stress and resolve your financial situation. I pulled the Hermit card. By focusing on my inner compass and developing my wisdom and knowledge of self, it will help me to alleviate that stress. It also indicates that solitude and focus is necessary, especially when you're starting off. Now, the fourth position I pulled is the Devil card. The fourth position is all about what I can learn about money. So it makes a lot of sense that I got the Devil card. Avoiding materialism and temptation to spend money won't advance me financially. It will only tie me down to a false ideal. So it's important to keep that in mind. Now, the fifth position is all about how to change the way I handle or how I acquire money. I pulled the Knight of Pentacles. This knight represents looking outside of the box for different financial opportunities. And not to be so close-minded when making financial investments. It could also suggest a steady pace and focus to help me achieve my financial goals. Also to leave behind old attachments to materialism as well. So now we have the sixth position. It's all about how I can create a better relationship with money. So I have the Three of Cups. That means I can create a better relationship with money by investing in something that aids my emotional growth or the growth of others close to me. Collaborating on artistic projects and supporting a greater cause or idea. Now we're at the seventh position. That's something in your life that is already abundant. It's interesting to see another pentacle. This card is the Page of Pentacles. One thing that's abundant for me is opportunity for investment and learning about new investment opportunities and options for my future. So I have the ability to invest in whatever I want at this point. So let's review the positions. 1. Current financial situation. 2. What put you in your current financial situation and the cause of the financial stress? 3. How to relieve your financial stress or resolve your financial situation. 4. Is something you are learning about money or something that is holding you back financially? 5. Something you can change about how you handle money, gaining a different perspective on how you make money. 6th is how to create a better relationship with your money or how to make your money work for you. How to have a better balance with your money flow. And the 7th position is something in your life that is already abundant, something you should be thankful for. So hopefully this spread gave you some insight. Next week, we'll talk about the Chariot card and the Sevens of the Tarot. Let me know what you thought of the spread. Comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tarot tips. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next week.